Guys, I'm really hating this week of trading. I haven't uploaded in a second. My bad. That was a thing that pops up, and I have to click X on it like 1,000 times. But, bro, I'm starting to hate trading this week, bro. This week I have stayed up like 3 nights in a row, all night, to just look at the fucking market. Let me explain to you what I mean. It is 4:27 p.m. I woke up at 3 something. This is the trade I took. Y'all see it, right? Yeah. Um, we came up. We double rejected to the upside. We broke structure right here. There's a low. Broke structure right there. Came up. Filled this fair value gap. Closed below the rejection. I entered. It consolidated for fucking 3 hours and 30 minutes. It was 6:45 by the time news hit. I knew news right here. USD non-farmer change, like all this was where news was. 7:15 news hit, okay? So that was news. This big spike right here, up, and then this is all news. Right here. Like this up movement, all news. So I was waiting the entire time just to get news. And all I was targeting was this low. This low and this low. But now this low got taken out. It's just so annoying because I wait. Like I got on in like 1:30. I entered the trade at 3:15. So 1:30 overall I spent all the way till me getting stopped out, which was like right here. I spent 5 hours on the chart today or yesterday to get stopped out. It's whatever, you know. I was also going to the downside with gold too. We were going on a downtrend. I was like, okay, these lows, this low is being targeted, I'm assuming. So, I waited for a breaker structure, which we got right here. We pulled back to the order block, but we double retested, so that's a breaker structure. It's a reset. Breaker structure got breaker right there. Order block got hit, and then it just consolidated. I wouldn't have entered on this shit. But terrible trade still. Price action's trash. Price action's trash. Price action's trash. Trash. Actually, this is probably the best price action. This one, probably. Bro, this is news though. This is news. All this entire up movement's news. GBP CAD. GBP 1 a.m. 1 a.m. right here. This candle, and then it just news all the way up. So I wasn't gonna trade that, and then also this is news. I wasn't gonna trade that. So just terrible price action throughout the week. To be honest, that's why I've been not only losing, but just not enjoying trading. We're down to 134 on the account. Closed positions. We can go back. This is the trade I took. I only lost $7.75. Not terrible. Um, GBUSD, let's go on there. GBUSD. Where did I take that shit? I can go on here because I save all the. What the fuck? Oh shit. GBUSD. Alright, here we go. This is the trade. We broke structure to downside with this low right here, and then we retreated back up, and then we closed below, and then we just reversed. Now, the mistake I made, as you can see, there's no high. There's no high that got respected. And you see how it came up and took out this one, and then reversed? I need to start waiting for that. I need to mark out high liquidity highs and then wait for it to get taken out and then enter a trade, because this just came up and then this just came up, stopped, did everything I needed to, and then I entered. It just stopped randomly, like all this liquidity built up just stopped, and I thought it was a good idea to enter because look, there is no this high you could say, this high you could say, this high you can't say, but there's no real high liquidity high that the market is saying, okay, now it's time to reverse. Fuck happened up here? Oh yeah, this was my bad. This was news. But yeah. I need to start listening to highs, and then that's pretty much it. But this I did listen to highs because it respected this one. If it respected it and reversed off of it, breaking structure to the downside, giving me a valid fair value gap retracement, and then a close below the rejection, then why would I not think it's gonna come and take out these lows? You know, since it's going with the trend, with the overall trend, it's going down. We have these lows to take out too. Why wouldn't it come down? Which it did, but I mean, it came up and fucking. This is all news, of course, but I don't know. It's just kind of stupid. I waited all night for this. Gets me a little irritated. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I didn't even want to get on today. I didn't get on, like, I haven't get on not in a while, but in a long enough time where I shouldn't have, because I didn't record my losses, which I need to start doing, which I normally do, but you know what I mean. But it's whatever. The only reason why I don't really record is I'm trading London session, and it's really late at night, and right when obviously you see I stayed up for like 5 hours, so yeah, that's the reason why I can't be recording right after, is because I'm like tired as shit. Yeah, I stayed up till 7 a.m. last night though, like 7:30 or something, and then I went to bed, which that is so bad. My head hurted so bad. But hey man, that's what you gotta do. The market gives back for your hard work, bro. Trust. Yeah, we're just gonna come back tomorrow. We're gonna win tomorrow. Hopefully. See ya. Love y'all.